After opening any data in R or SPSS or Stata, any software, first we will check the structure, variable, and short summary. Data structure. So first we will check the names. So suggest RStudio suggested the command. So we need this and we type my. Just I wrote the I have written first three letter. RStudio suggested the name. We will select this. So if we run, yeah, these are the variables. Now we'll check the structure. Struct str structure. Then we'll select this command, my data. So if we run, yes, this is the numeric character. This is character numeric character. So just this is the structure of data set. Now we'll make short summary. How to make TBL summary? We'll select this TBL summary. So to summarize data set, either mean, variance, proportion, percentage, always we use this, my data. So if we run, yes, already we got the summary table. So if we click here, yes, this is the summary table, but this is not publication ready table. So in the next class, we'll discuss how to prepare the publication ready table for journal publication. So we can summarize by a variable, for example, by is equal to if we would like to summarize the data by any category variable, for example, place, just type place. Place is the variable name, place of residence. So if we click here, click zoom here, yes, this is the summary table by rural urban. So we'll discuss detail in the next session. In this session or in this class, we'll discuss only data management.